So you were asking me questions. Go on.
Mom,
Yes.
I've been dying to know. Who was your first celebrity crush? The first one that caught your eye.
The first time you asked me this, I blanked out, but I was painting. And so I came back and I thought about it, but I still feel like I'm missing a whole bunch. Like I jumped in, but it's only on the shallow end of this pool. But I can say, Chevy Chase.
Oh.
Absolutely.
Oh, she loves
First
Chevy Chase. I did not know that.
When I was little,
Uh-huh.
oh, I had a huge crush on Chevy Chase. Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, and Ed Asner. I loved Ed Asner.
Ed Asner.
Yeah, those are that. I would have to say that. And okay.
Yeah.
And who I love now, and I couldn't think of anyone yesterday. Remember, I love Tom York. Huge crush on Tom York.
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Leonard Cohen. Love Leonard Cohen. Can you imagine him? You have fun
Cohen.
Sidekick. I had a small crush on Lex Friedman.
Lex Friedman.
But it went really fast. It went like bloop, like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Just
I love Lex
fleeting.
Friedman. Yeah, like oh,
As soon as
Richard
it came
Feynman. Yeah, Richard Feynman.
I need to be looking these people up.
I know she doesn't know. Well, I don't. I mean, it's just I just have crushes on them.
But like, I want to see what they look like.
The physicist?
Yeah, I love Richard Feynman. He is so cool. All of his lectures are the best. He has such a great personality, and it says he was a lover of women.
Oh.
Yeah, you can tell he had a je ne sais quoi, you know. Max Planck.
Oh, for sure.
Love Max Planck.
Oh, I based on what I know of you, this is totally.
Well, let me see.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Who'd you look up, Lex?
No.
Is that
Richard
yeah, that's
Feynman?
Richard Feynman. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that you were looking at Ed Asner.
Oh, I'll
I
look.
did.
Oh, yes.
Oh, there he is.
Well, there's Lex.
Oh.
Yeah.
And there's Ed Asner.
And Nikola Tesla.
Yes.
I love Nikola Tesla. I had a huge crush on Nikola Tesla. But then, like all of a sudden, you know, Nikola Tesla didn't like women. And I really don't have crushes either. So I love him on our own way.
Right.
Yeah. It's perfect. And Ty?
Yeah.
Right now, I have a huge crush on Loeb.
Loeb?
Mm-hmm. L-O-A-B. Look it up.
I want to know. What's the strangest food you've ever eaten?
Oh, I skipped over that question.
Oh.
Because I haven't really,
New question coming in.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2. What's the worst date you've ever been on?
Oh, did I skip that too? Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah, 'cause-
Okay.
yeah. It didn't really apply, really.
Oh, well, I just thought of funny. You have lots of stories.
I
and
do.
And so I'm like, well, what? Do you have a funny date? 'Cause, I mean, I have a couple, but
Funny date.
yeah,
Well, you can say yours, and then if something happens.
a guy took me scuba diving
Oh no.
in a pool where I couldn't even go in the deep end.
Why?
First date.
Weird.
Because he was a weirdo. He was just a weirdo.
Why
And I-
couldn't you go in the deep end though?
Because like I wasn't trained. It was like my first time ever diving, and I had to sign a bunch of papers. And,
Oh, it was
like, it's like-
legally.
yeah, and
Right.
and it was just really weird.
How much did it cost?
I didn't cost me anything.
No, how much did it cost him?
I don't know. I don't think it cost. It wasn't. It was when we were in college. It was
Right.
just at like the rec center.
How did you wear a wetsuit?
Yes,
How'd you get that?
it was all part of like the class and stuff.
So you put on a used wetsuit with somebody you didn't know, and didn't
I mean,
go
I
in the
knew
deep end?
him. I had known him for a while, but like,
Did you go on a second date?
yeah, we went and saw a movie. It was Metallica. It was a Metallica concert, like a live Metallica. I know. It was a live Metallica concert
Josh
movie.
Brothers?
His
I've
face
literally
is-
never heard this story. And I went to
Talk about
college
it.
with her.
Now everyone will know. It was a live Metallica concert, and then like this guy comes like out, like one of like their like people who help put on the concert, he has to go like get a box, and like half of the movie was an actual movie that was scripted, and he was on some sort of adventure, but it was all of the music was set to the live Metallica concert that was happening. And it would go back and forth between, I think it's called like Into the Never.
Who the was this?
F-bomb.
Do you want me to answer that?
No. Okay.
Yeah.
What was that second date then?
That was the Metallica concert.
Oh,
The second date.
The
Oh, they were
same
two
dude?
separate.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what you asked, right?
Well, he made 2 impressions.
He certainly did. He certainly did. And just
Was there a third date?
No, I just fizzled out.
Darn.
Dang, he tried.
Dang
Yeah,
it.
he tried. His
So he was
hardest.
in my guitar class. I was, trying to play guitar and stuff.
Oh.
Do you care if I play with this?
No.
Okay.
Do whatever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was that one. Yeah. Other ones are pretty average.
I don't even know. I can't even answer. Like, you know what I mean? So long ago. I
You
can't
guys
even
share
remember.
if anyone watching has any sort of inclination to share wants
Yeah,
us to
please.
know, like please feel free. If
Yeah, comment section stuff. We're just talking because there's nothing else to do.
I just want to grill my mom with questions.
Yeah, really.
But no, it's been really fun. Okay.
Go on.
So that was that question. You don't have any funny dates,
No. What?
Josh? Any
Josh?
funny dates?
No.
Okay. Let's see.
Wow, this. Oh, you're.
I'm all fine, all over the place.
Oh.
I know where we are.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I do too now. I'm sorry. What is one item that you cannot live without?
Well, I answered this straight away, and I'm going to answer it straight away again. What do you think? Do you remember?
I remember.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Perfume.
Perfume.
Perfume. I
It's
cannot
obviously
live.
it's perfume. How do you
Yeah.
not know that?
Right. Right. I know that. But they don't know that. If anybody has perfume that you want to give to me, do it. I love perfume.
It's very true. Like,
I love who makes it. I love how they issue it. I love how it's made.
everything about it.
Yeah.
Everything about so many different brands.
Yeah. That's part of my fun. That's what I love.
Do you have any other items?
I think I erased that question because it was an easy answer.
Oh.
That was kind of the only one.
Yeah.
Because you said item.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Okay. You, Ty? What can't you live without?
Well, I had music.
Oh, that's a ethereal answer.
My car. Movies. Does that count?
Well, if it was an item.
Item.
And like an item.
That's actually a really hard question.
It is.
Well, I'll say headphones.
But she won't have the music to go in the
Right,
Oh,
just the
I
headphones?
could say minoxidil. How about that?
What's minoxidil?
The stuff you put on your head to make your hair grow.
Oh, yeah. You would live without it. But it is an item.